So her house, front porch, what we're planning on doing. I'm gonna take this design and add more detail to it, actually put some numbers to it, kind of see where we're at.
Started this project back in the end of summer last year, so this has been an ongoing process. We had some mistakes.
Now they won't be here till 1, but still.
Oh, okay.
Probably getting 20-foot boards back, one by one by one.
We're going to Greendale, Indiana. We built the pool project in the backyard, built a new deck in the front, and now we're going to finalize a landscape plan in the front yard, I guess. We're doing a little bluestone landing and then some edging work, and then the customer wants to do his own plants and mulch just because, you know, likes to get his hands dirty and kind of mess around. And so we're leaving the last little final touches for the customer. Let's go try to wrap this project up. Let's go explain to the guys exactly what they're doing so they can get it done in one shot. And that's John. Where's John's day?
Do it all, boys.
Get it done.
Welcome to the Outdoor Hustle. Like that.
Don't forget to like and subscribe. This is the Outdoor Hustle.
I just thought it would be easier for him. He gets to show it.
What's up, Doug? What up?
Yeah, this is bueno. Straight though. And then limestone edging. Like this. Level, and then ramp up like this. You know what I mean? This edging, it goes here, but then it keeps going like this for landscape. Okay. The edging, and then edging. Just got this deck done. Looks pretty good on the front. Changed it up from the back. The back it's all gray tones. In the front we brought in some brown. Looks good.
I think this deck looked real good.
Yeah, this deck looks awesome. Changed it up. I mean, curb appeal now is just insane from the front now too. I mean, they had some dull landscaping, a deck that was falling apart now to a brand new deck. Crazy landscape, this walkway on the other side of the house, which is awesome. I mean, they definitely got it going on now. Obviously the backyard, that speaks for itself. We did this backyard, then now we're doing the whole front yard, you know, so that's kind of how that works. I mean, that's more common than obviously if you just go do a concrete driveway. They're not necessarily going to call you back to landscape their house, right? But the nice thing about doing all those services is that it's possibility. So we do try to remarket to the customers, and you know, it helps them, it helps us because they work with the same company. They already know our customer service. They already know our quality expectations out of our team, and if they need another service, we offer the same thing. So it works out pretty good. So this line is the landscape bed, but the bluestone is going to start the actual curvature. To the eye driving past or walking up, it's going to all feel like one nice clean line, but the bluestone will break off of it. It's going to be pretty sick. Hey, Jose, you better.
Got it.
Está bien? All right. Muchas gracias.
Adios, amigos.
Back at the end of last year, we hosted a spring landscape makeover. We had people in the community reach out and submit someone that they thought deserved a landscape makeover. And we selected that winner on Christmas Day. About a month ago, we reached out and let them know that we were gonna come out and start their project, and today's the day. So I'm gonna go with James and Mason down the street to Harrison and get the ball rolling. See you there.
And we're sneaking in here. And this is Mason. I don't know if you should do.
Hi, it's nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
And this is Brandon.
Hello, Brandon.
Hello.
Come on.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. Just watch your head, Scott. I left,
I
left it off for a reason. I mean, other than being it's a little cool this morning.
Yeah. So, kind of fill me in. Do you know who submitted your request on your behalf?
Yeah, Megan.
Yeah. How do you know Megan?
Her and Alex I met him up when Alex came to help me around the house outside.
Yeah.
And we just became really family friends.
Oh,
like.
that's cool.
And he actually was, him and his brother did the service to my husband's funeral.
Oh, okay.
And then they were the pallbearers.
Yeah.
I love them.
That's really cool.
I love them.
Yeah.
And when she got a hold of me, right after Christmas,
Yeah.
and told me that, I mean, I was in shock. I cried.
Oh.
I'm like, no, I'm Linda. I don't win nothing.
Oh, that's cool.
But, yeah.
Well, that's awesome. Well, we're happy that you won, and we're gonna make it look great for you. Obviously, with the giveaway, we can do a $5,000 landscape makeover. So what we'd like to do is we do all our designs and pricing on site here with you. So if we want to walk around, you want to kind of show me what you like, what your dreams are,
Yeah.
and I'll actually design something here with you today.
Unfortunately, with my health, I have to make it to where I'm capable of taking care of
Sure,
them.
Sure, yeah.
I don't have a hose,
Yeah, yeah.
and that's my biggest problem.
Mhm.
I have to pack water out
Oh,
just
jeez.
to do my front
Okay.
and my side here.
Do you have a spigot outside?
There is a spigot at the
Okay.
end, back by the end of the trail
Okay,
there.
gotcha.
So what you think, man? Think we can take care of it?
I don't know. It's feeling like 40K. I'm just kidding. No, it'll be fine. Yeah, I think we can do a lot. I think we can get our new hose.
Yeah, we
For
could probably
sure.
do that.
I think
yeah.
Stefan, we can get our hose.
Yeah.
You know the rule for poison ivy? Leaves of 3, let them be. Cheesy thing. So, all right. There's 3 leaves with poison ivy. If the budget was unlimited, I would love to build her a little landing.
Mm-hmm.
There's some things here that I feel are in need, and some things that we can make look pretty, but we only have $5,000 to play with, so I can't go too crazy. So we're gonna sit in the car for a second. I got the rough design here. So her house, front porch, what we're planning on doing. I'm gonna take this design and add more detail to it, actually put some numbers to it and kind of see where we're at. In an ideal world, we do all the landscaping and we can build her a little correct, landing coming out that back door. I think that's of everything here, that's actually the biggest priority, what she should do. But we'll see what we can do. And then just make grass to keep it relatively simple to maintain. Right, very deep to the right. We can go, and then every week when the grass gets cut, they can take their weed whacker. I'll get all that emailed over to you.
All right, honey, you guys be careful going out.
You too. It was nice meeting you.
You too. Watch your head.
Being tall has its faults.
No.
Yeah.
That's right, Mason needs a haircut.
Yeah, I do.
Oh, I've had my brother and my neighbor both get hit.
Okay. Thank you, Linda.
Thank you. Have a good day.
You too.
You too.
Just got down to Cincinnati. We are in an area just north of the city called Clifton. The deck crew is starting a new project out here, so we're gonna go hang out with them. I love coming to hang out with them because they're just fun to hang out with. So yeah, let's go see what they got going on. Amigo!
Yeah, how you doing?
What up?
What a spot this is, man. Shoo-wee.
I'm glad you're here.
Yeah?
We got 84 lumber on the way.
Oh, you need some help?
No, they won't be here till 1, but still.
Oh, okay.
Try getting 20-foot boards back here. 1 by 1 by 1. This has been the whole every hole.
What, digging out concrete?
Rock.
Rock?
Yeah.
We took out a trailer full yesterday of just rock.
We
left all the dirt.
It's a lot of holes.
You want to go get your car and get it up here and block this one more spot?
Yes. Yeah, but then where's he gonna park it when they come?
Over here with her. Because there's literally 2 spots open right there.
Where's B-Dog parked at?
Right here.
Not far. Yeah.
And you're all the way down there at the store. You need a ride?
Yeah.
Hey, you need me to hop in there real quick?
Well, you gonna get some action?
Yeah, I'll get some action. Oh, yeah. That'll work. Hey, tips and tricks right here. Let me know.
Use your hips.
Use your hips. So tell me if I'm wrong, but it felt like the more pressure I put into it, the less it
It
did.
hits. Yeah.
Is
but
that how it?
you really want to keep pressure on it, because if not, this right here, it'll
Yeah.
wear out. Because the driver's just
Going
beating it.
so, yeah.
Boring this back the exact same way.
Yeah,
Do we need to be 30 inches from here or here?
man, it'd be the top of this.
Okay.
So where's the deck coming out? Oh, it's coming off.
It's a 10 by 10,
Oh.
and then it drops down to a different floating deck right there.
Oh.
But the homeowner's done all the permitting, so I don't have anything but
Oh,
this.
I did print them all.
Oh, okay. You got an extra copy on you?
I'll give you this one.
Sweet.
All right, buddy.
Over here.
More driving than
I
anything.
know, yeah. You didn't want to
You might
complain
have
that I got too
Pop
much
them
knowledge.
rivets. Get in here.
Well, thank you.
You did have a good one.
I mean, I think we could pick it straight up right there.
Be alright?
All right, boys.
See you, dude.
Adios.
Adios.
Adios, amigo.
Yeah, of course, anytime, man. Hey, I don't mind helping. You know what I mean?
Oh, I know.
Here we go now.
Like your too.
Here we go.
There you go.
Hey. Like and subscribe now.
Like and subscribe.
You out of here?
Yeah.
All right, buddy. See ya.
We're at this project over here in Greendale, Indiana. It's finally wrapped up. All the final touches are kind of pieced together, fixed any issues that there was. Badass backyard. We started this project back in the end of summer last year. So this has been an ongoing process. We had some mistakes. We got them fixed, and the backyard is looking basically perfect. With the waterfalls and the bubblers and the water feature, it sounds awesome here. So check out this backyard. This is basically what our company does as a whole. Every single industry of what we do, you're looking at it right here. Check it out.
I'm tired of trying. I'm tired of knocking on your door. But I can't quit you, baby, 'cause I'm gonna be knocking forevermore. I'm tired of waiting, baby, tired of waiting in the line. Said I'm tired of waiting, baby. 'cause I'm gonna wait until the end of time.
Now this is done. Customer's doing his own planting and mulching. Got the edging in all the way around, and we blended it into a bluestone mortar front patio. They just came out awesome. So this customer finally, I mean, he's got the all the way around the house. And again, look at that line I envisioned originally. Basically perfectly blends in, transitions to the second step, tears up, little slanted ramp with the bluestone mortar joints. Turned out amazing. There's the final for now because the customer's gonna do the rest, but deck's built, everything looks amazing.
Another great week in the books. Got some projects started, got some projects finished, and it's just the beginning of the busy season. So stay tuned, like the video, hit the notification bell, subscribe to the channel. It helps us a lot, and we'll catch you in the next one. Peace.
Bang!